we will learn about general objects book. It's a general object book. I will open it. Oh, what's that? Yeah, you know that it's a flower. What's that? It's a flower. Yay, it's a flower. What's that? It's a flower. What's that? It's a bucket. Repeat after me. Yay, it's a bucket. What's that? It's a bucket. What's next? Oh, these are shoes. What are these? These are shoes. Repeat after me. Shoes. Yes, these are shoes. What's that? Yeah, you know that. This is an ice cream. Yes, this is an ice cream. Repeat after me. Yes, it's an ice cream. What's that? It's a watch. What's that? It's a watch. Can you repeat after me? Yes, it's a watch. What's that? Yay, it's a t-shirt. Can you repeat after me? Yes, it's a t-shirt. What's that? It's an umbrella. What's that? It's an umbrella. Can you repeat after me? Yes, it's an umbrella. What's that? It's a scissors. What's that? It's a scissors. Can you repeat after me? Yes, it's a scissor. What's that? It's a slide. Can you repeat after me? Yes, it's a slide. It's a slide. What's that? This is a chair. What's that? This is a chair. Can you repeat after me? Yes, this is a chair. What's next? This is a ball. Can you repeat after me? Yes, this is a ball. Ball. What's that? It's a doll. Can you repeat after me? Yes, it's a doll. What's next? Oh, wow, it's a comb. What's that? It's a comb. Can you repeat after me? Yes, it's a comb. What's that? These are keys. What's that? These are keys. Can you repeat after me? Yes, these are keys. What's next? Oh, it's a telephone. What's that? It's a telephone. Can you repeat after me? Yes, telephone. What's that? This is a toy. What's that? This is a toy. Can you repeat after me? Yes, this is a toy. We have learned some general objects